At Hinojosa, we care for what's outside to protect what's inside. Caring for what's inside makes us indispensable, as we are a key part of the value chain for millions of products that improve people's well-being. However, our work doesn't end with the creation of excellent packaging. We want to go one step further. Our purpose is to advance the common good with sustainable packaging solutions. To fulfill this purpose, we also need to care for what's outside. Caring for our packaging by developing packaging systems with the highest quality and the lowest possible impact. Caring for our employees by committing to internal talent and personal and professional development, because without them, none of this would be possible. Caring for local communities so that our activity has a purely positive impact on the environment and on society. Caring for the planet by committing to the reduction of CO2 emissions and the circular economy. And caring for our customers, who are at the heart of all we do. With a customer-oriented model, our promise to clients is a commitment to sustainable excellence, providing flexible and agile packaging solutions that bring value to their business and maximum satisfaction to the customer. Because we firmly believe that making packaging more sustainable adds value to the products inside. Hinojosa, adding value to what's inside.